Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Face ID and Passcode. This gives direct control. Enter your passcode when prompted so you can change security options. Once inside, you'll see Use Face ID with toggles for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and Password Autofill. Make sure the screen is unlocked and you're looking at the device so changes register. This first step puts you where app-level Face ID permissions are listed and ready to edit. Next, scroll to the Other Apps list to see app-by-app permissions. This is where granular control lives. Toggle off any app you don't want to open with Face ID and understand why. Turning a toggle off forces that app to require your passcode or manual sign-in, increasing privacy. Once done, some apps may ask you to re-authenticate once inside. Make sure to follow any in-app prompts so the change takes effect. If an app lacks a toggle, check its in-app settings for biometric options. To finish, lock the device and test the apps you adjusted to verify Face ID no longer opens them. This confirms settings applied. If an app still uses Face ID, restart your device and check for an iOS update, because cached permissions or software bugs can persist. As a last resort, disable Face ID entirely in the Face ID and passcode screen to stop all biometric unlocks. You'll then use your passcode. If problems continue, contact the app developer or Apple support for persistent bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.